This first week, we're going to discuss my research article as completed with my colleagues from OISE, Stephanie Arnott, who is a PhD candidate there, and Sharon Lapkin, a retired professor from OISE. The board had put out a call for proposals to examine and compare the use of AIM in Core French classrooms at the grade 8 level to those that were not using AIM. The board wanted to investigate the use of AIM as they were deciding whether they should implement it more widely or not, and in doing so wanted to conduct a research study. We were lucky enough to have our proposal selected. I invite you to take a look at the article and the supporting guide, as it will provide you with more details, but now I'll just share with you a couple enticing details, a couple of challenges and success from the research. When comparing classes that used AIM to classes that did not, the comparison is not a strict one like you would find in a scientific lab, because certain aspects of AIM, for example, using the target language and using gestures, are also found in other classes and have been used for decades. So take the information as our observations, as information, and not as scientific as it would be as if we conducted it in a scientific lab. Another challenge, although not necessarily with the research, but a challenge to you and to myself as FSL educators, the results of the testing, regardless of group, were not strong. So that provides a challenge to us to improve FSL education in general. Now to some successes. One success, in my opinion, is that the study showed that it is important that teachers believe in what they're doing and that they choose methods that respond to their students' needs. So it's good to know that our choices make a difference to students. A second success, I believe, is that the board made a choice to go to an extra effort to do some research before mandating a program. A third success is this study was the first independent, semi-large scale study comparing AIM to other approaches to teaching Core French.